6 most disturbing things caught on doorbell camera. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy. This man was caught on camera trying to break into this house. The man seemed out of it, or maybe he was on something, or just plain angry. The clip ended with the man slouched over the fence. If I was in that house, I would have been absolutely terrified. This woman was caught ringing the doorbell at 3 AM. What's unusual about this is that the woman has her mouth wide open in a disturbing manner. Luckily, the man whose home it wasn't home at the time, and thank God he wasn't. Who knows why this woman turned up, and why did she have such a disturbing look on her face? This video really gives me chills. It shows a man or a woman or some sort of creature crawling across their front garden late at night. Who knows what that was, or why it was there, but I know one thing, and that's if that was my house, I'd be moving as soon as possible. This doorbell camera picked up some disturbing footage of an old woman holding a knife in the middle of the night while acting very strange. She is moving in a weird, unnatural manner, almost like she's swaying back and forth. Who knows why she was there and why she was holding a knife, but I hope that no one got hurt. This clip shows a strange woman walking around someone's garden and snooping into the windows late at night. If I saw that on my camera footage, I'd be absolutely terrified. The homeowners put out a statement and said that they have contacted the police about the situation. When I first saw this clip, I was shocked at how scary the situation is and how worse it could have got. If this video proves anything, it is that you should always look around before you open your front door. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be uploading videos twice a week, every Wednesday and Sunday. And again, if you like this sort of content and want to see more, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Peace.